Hello there, hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mr. CBS, and today it is ice cream time. You know what that means, guys? It's a thank you bag, but it's not actually a real thank you bag. It's the ice cream that I got for. It's Conna candy Sundae. Conna candy favorite ice cream with sprinkles. I brought this at the store at the East Stop location. It was released made by the Conna ice cream. The Conna. I would say the Conna 4 times. The Conna. The Conna. The Conna. The Conna. Okay. So I brought this one from the Easy Stop. Yep, it's kind of cost like about $2 a piece. Yep. Here's nutrition facts: 230 calories, and here's the ingredients. Yep. That's kind of okay. I tried I forgot miraculous ladybug strawberry flavor. It was pretty good. Yep. Pink and blue. Yep, pink and blue. I try to use with spoon using the fork, but I don't say the spoon. Yep, let's taste this. Pretty good. Try the pink one first. Yep, it's pretty good. Blue one. Pretty good. Yep. Oh shoot. I'm sorry. Yeah, they gave me a brain freeze. This ice cream one gave me a brain freeze. Yeah. Yep. It's pretty good. I like it. Okay, y'all. So this is the Conna's Conna candy Sundae. Yep. My favorite. I tried the Conna candy Sundae at Big Cat Fuse. You know Big Cat Fuse, right? It's in Cairo. It's called Welcome to Cairo Food Mark. It was last year. I tried one of those with the Conna, but it always got shut down. It was closing down. Yeah, it was this guy gonna shut down, and then this guy lives in Albany, Georgia. And then now the new businesses, it's called 716 Food Mark. Yeah, 716 Food Mark. And that's what the store's called. Big Cat Fuse 716 Food Mark. Yeah. But yeah. They're selling coffee, they're selling hot boiled peanuts too. And then they're selling the fountain drink. Yeah. Yep. Pretty good. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Bye bye.